have 3 unboxings. Let's start with this one right here. This is the Pivo. Originally saw this on Kickstarter and it took a while to get here. It's finally here. There it is. Like that. So let's see. So Pivo is a tripod for your phone. So the packaging for this is really nice. It's a nice little case right here. And I'm pretty impressed with this. It may have taken a lot longer than I thought to get to me, but it's here. That's all that matters. And there will be another video about all its uses and how amazing it is. So stay tuned for that. So this was actually retailed for $250, but I did some searching around. I found it for 50% off, $125. There's the shoe. What a beauty. It's actually really nice because this is super lightweight and extremely breathable. I'm really digging it. I love the colors. I love the white sole, the white heel cup. It really gives it some contrast and the colors are really popping. Overall, I'm definitely enjoying this shoe. This kind of reminds me of the Kith collab that they had. I couldn't get that one, but I got this one. This will do. I really like the heel cup because there's no Ultraboost accent on it. It's just the heel cup and it's not plastic like the others. It's actually cloth. Definitely digging it. Then it has the 4.0 insole in there. The sole is all white. The laces are white. And then it also comes with blue laces as well. And the blue actually matches the tongue tag right there. Definitely worth a buy. These usually go for $220, then this collab was $250. This is super breathable material. And then we have two more unboxings. Let's get into this one. John CENA Amazon exclusive shop. I don't know if you can see it, but it says "You can't see me" on the very top of his hat. Here's a picture of it. Wow, I like it. Definitely worth the wait for about 3 months. The last unboxing, this one. This one took a while to get here as well. This is coming from Hot Topic. So there's the box. Let's get into it. And there it is. My little Charmander. It'll definitely match the Pikachu.
I wanna be the very best, like no one ever was. It's you and me. I know it's my destiny.
Hey guys, thanks for tuning in for another video from Ruby's Corner. You guys have a good one.